mini haul from Hobby Lobby. First thing is this really cool apron. It says count your blessings. And then I needed some new kitchen utensils, and so I picked up this really cute sprinkle spatula here and this really cute pink whisk. And I got these really pretty measuring cups that kind of match the sprinkles. And then I got measuring spoons that match the measuring cups because so colorful, so cute, so summer, so fun. Oh, I always have to Google like how many tablespoons is such and such. So I got a measuring thing so you can see what's the equivalent of your measurements. So got that. And I always get my fondant and my gel colors from Hobby Lobby. Super red, this you do not have to use a lot. So like when I make red velvet cakes, I use this super red and only a couple drops I have to use. So I got that. And then the last thing I got was some cake boards. And yeah, so that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. This is not sponsored by Hobby Lobby, but I love Hobby Lobby, so just wanted to share some things that I got. All right, bye.